Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm not starting off the week too good. I fucked up because I got in something too early just because of the weekend. It's Monday. I was just, in a rush to hop in anything. I ended up hopping in NIO too early. I lost money on the first trade. Then I revenge traded the second trade and lost money on that. So I'm down a good amount for the day. I definitely lost. I'm down more than I made all last week. So, so all those gains from last week in my account are officially gone. So let's just get right into the recap. And something happened with this, so it's kind of funky as I'm playing this out. The recording goes black and then it comes back. I don't know. But I get most of it. So on NIO I had made these two trend lines. This was pre-market high, the top one. The lower one was Friday's high, and it was an area of support for now, because it did test this line coming down 2 or 3 times pre-market. Then it broke down below and then it came back up above. So I wanted to catch a break over pre-market high, but I missed it. Because, of course, none of my option chains were loaded at the time. So I missed that break. And if you notice off to the right, I'm going to get into this after. I made my first 2 purchases of cryptocurrency. One on Bitcoin and one on Ethereum. And I'll talk about those after. So I ended up getting into one. If I actually got filled on that call option, I would have made some money, but I didn't get filled on that one. I don't know a good entry. I should wait for a pullback. But on the 1 minute, we just broke above VWAP. And there's a break of 51.50. So of course I'm trying to struggle to get in. And just like always, just like I always do, I end up buying at the very top. The life of an amateur trader. Trying to get that push above 51.65, the high of this candle. Next candle's opening soon, couple more seconds. Thinking that'll be my push up, so I'm holding off. Break even, up $1. And it opened nice. It opened above the close of the last candle, but just not working out. It's hard to say sell here, sell here. Because if I knew that it was going to do what it was going to do, I would have sold at break even. So here's where the emotions start kicking in. Just can't hit the sell. Can't take the couple dollar loss. You always have hope. There's always that hope. The high hope that stops you from pushing the sell button. And everyone knows what I'm talking about. So it's looking good, but these contracts are not looking good. Got caught in consolidation. Let me just get you guys through the pain. Fast forward. Still holding and hoping. Once we break down below that 9, I gotta get out. So I get out, the thing stops recording, and then I end up getting back in, and then pre-market high, the trend line's right here, 51.07. So because now we tested that and now we're reversing up, I try to get into another call option, a cheaper one, $55 strike price for the what just happened? Sorry guys. So I was down $30 on that trade. So I ended up getting in at the reversal here from the red to green. I bought the $55 call when that was cheaper, so I got in the same strike as before for the push up and over the 9 in VWAP, and I decided to try to hold this one out a little while so I could take profit. So this is all my fault because I ended up walking away from the computer for a little bit. I was in this trade for a little bit. Up 11. But these contracts suck. I don't know what the deal is with these things and not making any money. This thing's only up $8.50 and I bought way down here. Well, it's only 40-cent move though. I guess that's why. Consolidation. So I ended up cutting that loss. I lost $64 today. And then yesterday, we will open the cryptocurrency trading. I guess it was in beta for a little while, but they just released it. I don't know how long ago. I didn't even look into it, but I was just sitting down yesterday and seeing that Bitcoin and Ethereum were about to make like all-time highs. So I bought, you can just buy, there's no options for cryptocurrency. It's not even on the exchange. It's a separate entity. It's its own thing. So you could trade 7 days a week, Monday to Sunday, and I don't think that the funds, if you buy and sell, I don't think that the funds go into being unsettled. I think that it's instant. I think you could instantly use those funds again. But I'm gonna have to look more into it, and I'll make a video on it. So I ended up buying $5 of Bitcoin. at $18,644. And it ended up last night going in my favor a couple cents. And then it was just hovering around break even for me. So I just ended up closing this order. It's weird when you're buying the stuff because the bid and the ask is like $500 apart. Sometimes even more. So I ended up getting filled with that right away. This Ethereum, I bought $10 worth. And I'm up 6%. You know, I don't think I'm really going to be getting involved in this too much. So there's one I'm down for the day. See, I'm up 47 cents on this $10 position. So it's like 4%. Let's take a look at it. So here's the daily. I don't really know anything about cryptocurrency. All I know is that this one and Bitcoin have been going up like crazy over the past couple years. So I think this is at an all-time high. I ended up getting in Sunday right here, 564. Went up to 607. Now we're at 592. I'm just going to hang on to it and see what happens. I mean, it's $10 worth. It's nothing. I actually bought $5 worth, and then I actually bought $5 worth probably down here, and then I added to position as it was going up. I added $5 more. So I'm in this $10. If anyone wants to know about trading crypto, just like trading stock, let's see, account. So let's see. I don't even know how. Or what I'm even doing. Alright, so we just tapped at 200. Maybe I'll buy $5 more. So this is what you do. Limit 585 to 598. So maybe 592. It's about right in the middle. Quantity $5. Buy 592 is the price. So maybe we go 593, and then you place the order. I did this on my phone yesterday. So well, maybe we should go 594. Well, you can't modify it. $590, $450. This stuff is hard to get filled, right? It's hard to get filled right where the price is at. I've noticed. Even on that Bitcoin, it took a while. Look at the spread. 588 to 600. I put my limit price above what the price is, and I'm still not getting filled. It's hard to get filled even halfway. It's like you have to get filled closer to the ask. Let's look on the daily. So I think I'm just going to hang on to this. We'll see if I get filled on that. But this is the all-time. Did we make all-time? No, 19,891 for Bitcoin's all-time high. And it was pretty close. So I ended up getting in this right where this line is. I bought $5. Well, anyways, that's how you buy cryptocurrency. You could probably scalp this stuff too. I would have to look into how you even go about watching this, like what to look for, what indicators to set. Because I know nothing about this. I just wanted to test the waters and see what it was all about. So I don't know. It doesn't look like I'm getting filled here. Maybe it's because I'm only trying to buy $5 worth. So I'm going to cancel that. Right now I have $10 worth. Like I said, I'm just going to hang on to it and see what happens. So that's it for the day. The account's at 250. It was over 300. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.